KIFI Local News 8. And now, your first alert weather.
All right, so temperatures are still above average, not just locally, but throughout the entire region. We're getting temperatures very close to 90 right now in Salt Lake City with 87, 83 in Boise. And Montana, you're seeing temperatures well into those mid to upper 70s. You got the mid 90s out towards Redding, California, and the mid 80s in parts of Oregon there. Bend is at 84 with 87 in Medford. Locally, though, we've been seeing those above average temperatures, and that's led to some rapid snowmelt, also rising rivers out there. And we have a flood advisory. This is for the Teton River around Driggs. It's not in the flood warning stage yet, but it's getting high, and we are seeing some lowland flooding near the Teton River and a little bit of some water spilling over out into some of the farmland there. So we do expect to see that probably continuing at least for tonight, maybe extended for the next couple of days. Not a major thunderstorm threat here in the cards here for the evening. We have a few of these developing thunderstorms trying to get into extreme northern Utah and southern Idaho, and then we also have a few thunderstorms up around the southern Montana state line, with a few of those thunderstorms trying to get places like Island Park, West Yellowstone, and then further into Yellowstone as we go through the next couple of hours. But the biggest nuisance here today has been the wind, and we'll continue to have the wind as we go through tonight and tomorrow. In fact, I want to show you the windcast map here just to give you an idea. Yeah, it's going to be gusty outside. We'll have sustained winds well into the teens and 20s, and tomorrow afternoon your gusts are going to be approaching 35. So watch out for the wind. Still here for your Wednesday and Thursday afternoon, but the temperatures are staying above average. We got this warm westerly flow coming through here from the west, and embedded with the jet stream are the little spurts of moisture with the threats for thunder showers. But as we get into the weekend, we start picking up on this cutoff low, plus it gets joined up with the system out of the Gulf of Alaska. Those systems converge right through your Saturday and Sunday, meaning rain showers, dropping temperatures, and gusty winds for the weekend. Let's go to Vipercast tonight. The thunderstorm threat pretty much confined to Yellowstone and Island Park. We have a minor threat for thunderstorms tomorrow, mostly again, same spot. Island Park, a little bit of Rexburg, might see a few of those thunderstorms in the neighborhood, but really keeping those thunderstorms confined right along through the Snake Highlands. And then we also see a few thunderstorms in the southeastern highlands. Thursday, again, just a smattering of storms, mostly into the higher elevations. For the rest of us, mainly sunny conditions with a few hits of strong winds and the occasional dark cloud coming in for the afternoon hours. But the thunderstorm threat here for tomorrow and Thursday pretty much into the mountains. But by Friday night, as we get about 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, we'll start picking up a more widespread showers, and that's the start of our weekend soggy forecast. So for tonight, we got a few of those thunderstorms out there, and we'll see the same here for Wednesday and Thursday. For tomorrow, you have your winds out of the southwest at 15 to 25, gusts around 35, and again, the stormy conditions setting up for the weekend. 85 for the high in McCammon, 82 in Lava Hot Springs with 77 in Soda Springs. Jackson, you got a high of 74. Same for Driggs with lows back into the 40s there tonight. 51 tonight in Rexburg with a high of 81 for tomorrow. Central Idaho, highs will be getting into the lower 80s around Chalice and Salmon, the upper 70s out towards Ketchum and Mackey, with highs in Idaho Falls at 84, 86 tomorrow in Pocatello with 86 in Burley. Here's your 8-day. So we'll keep the wind in the forecast here. The winds will pick up over the weekend as well, so we really don't see much relief in the wind until the middle of the beginning half of next week. Idaho Falls 83 for the high Thursday, and then we're dropping it back into the 60s and 70s for the weekend. Things really warm up on Friday. That's the warm before the storm. Cold front comes in Saturday, and again, temperatures will take a pretty big hit heading in through Sunday with scattered rain showers. Pocatello 85 for Thursday, 90 on Friday, and the cold front comes in. You go from 90 degrees on Friday down to a high of 74 on Saturday, and then 63 on Sunday. Blackfoot also seeing that climb and drop with the cold front on the move. Saturday you'll have highs into the 70s with passing rain showers, even a few thunderstorms. Rexburg 80 degrees for Thursday, 71 for Saturday, 59 for the high on Sunday. And yes, also note, next week it's going to be frosty enough that you have to cover the tomatoes at night, okay? You're getting warned now. In central Idaho, 83 for the high Wednesday, 81 on Thursday. We'll be into the 70s on Saturday and then the 50s on Sunday. So things get pretty chilly into the mountains, especially into Sunday and Monday. Look at this, Jackson highs around 72 for Thursday, 79 on Friday, but all the way back into the 40s and 50s for Sunday and Monday. And yeah, it's going to get cold next week as we get on the other side of this cold front. So again, fair warning to gardeners and anybody who has sensitive plants in the ground. Next week, especially this weekend and next week, it will have to cover up the plants for several nights and mornings. You don't have to do it tonight. You don't have to do it tomorrow night, but just letting you know ahead of time here for the weekend.
Just a sheet will do that, right?
Every year, second full week of June. June 10th, it's my sister's birthday. Every